Welcome to Brand Bites, my low-calorie, high-impact brand strategy appetizers by me, Suzanne Tulien, brand clarity expert with Brand Ascension. This is Brand Bite number 8 and is all about creating memorable brand experiences. In a study by the Global Institute for Inspiration in the Most Inspiring Companies report, personal experience with a brand is noted as the most powerful in moving your customers to buy more, be more loyal, and become an advocate by sharing their experience with a friend. If you think about it, we all sell to human beings, and human beings are multi-sensory machines. If we as entrepreneurs are not leveraging how our brand is experienced through creative, multisensory environments, then we are truly leaving opportunities on the table to engage our customers. Martin Lindstrom, author of Brand Sense, proves that the more sensory memories activated with your customers, the greater the bond is they will have with the brand. So that begs the question, what sense or senses can you capitalize on with your brand? The answer is in your unique brand DNA. Here is another sensory-provoking question. If your brand was a genre of music, what genre would it be and why? This quick sensory audit should force you to think about your brand's style. If the answer was classic rock, let's say, then your definition of that specific feeling that classic rock evokes for you should be represented in how you show up as a brand in everything you do. I can only begin to think about how that could show up to create distinction and for the target audience in your competitive advantage. Or you could just as easily ask, if your brand was represented by a make and model of car, what would it be and why? If the answer is Mercedes SL Roadster, then your job is to define what attributes that car evokes for you and begin to think about how to make those attributes tangible through your own actions and behaviors throughout your business. Wow, now that'll shift you into the right side of your brain, won't it? Digest that for a minute. My clients do it all the time and benefit from the clarity this fun exercise brings to the table and helps them to actually create amazing, memorable customer experiences that build trust and advocacy. Well, that is my brand bite for this time. I hope you didn't get too full. For more information on building your brand experience and my book, Brand DNA, or a brand assessment breakthrough session with me, go to brandascension.com. And remember, your brand is your business. Thanks for elevating conscious branding in business.